Ikaw naman, okay naman yung appearance mo. Hindi naman din yellow eyes, hindi naman. Wala naman siya mga rashes, bite marks so far. Wait, may ano siya, may ganito siya. Ano to? Meron kang parang bruises. Okay, okay naman daw yun, sabi. There's some kind of yan sa mukha niya. Tapos, sa indicators niya, hindi pa natin may check yan. So ito yung mga pwede natin checkin na ano, ang galing, ang daming pwede mong gawin. So the way I see it, I think you're good naman kuya. Sa mga katawan niya, yeah, there's nothing so far naman. But only bruises lang naman yun. So, I think you're good.
You are a hero. Thank you.
Okay. Tingin ko natin sa gaganda ng mga itsura itong mga tao.
Bitten by a dog. Not a zombie.
Bruh.
Nope. No. Hindi ano yan. Hindi pwede yun. You're gonna go to the liquidation, sir. Sorry,
I
kuya.
trust you guys, but this feels wrong.
Ano mangyayari dito?
Alright. That's it for today. Hit the bunks. We've got another long day tomorrow.
Gagi rin yun. Survivor sent for a liquidation. Killing an infected. Sheesh! Diba sabi sa inyo eh. Yung mga kinagat lang doon ng ase, I doubt naman. So may mga maintenance and shimay tayo lagi kaya dapat marami tayong magawa mismo na mga bagay-bagay. Okay, sige. Interesting game to be honest ah.
Check out everyone in quarantine.
Okay, will do. So, if you send people to quarantine, check them for next day. Perhaps their symptoms have changed and final decision.